Hey guys, and welcome back. Can you believe we're already in the second month of the year? Like, mind blown. So today I'm going to show you how to make my really nice chicken dish with some basil pesto, some puff pastry, and it is the perfect dish for date night. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned because you want to keep this for Valentine's Day in 2 weeks time. I do 1 chicken breast per person. So you take the chicken breast out. We're going to put it on a board like this. I am then going to take just some plastic cling foil on top. Take your mallet and you take all of your anger out from today. Now it doesn't have to be that thin, but a nice decent thing. And I'm going to put it now on top of our baking sheet on a tray so we can deal with more of that later. And on my baking sheet, once I am happy with how my chicken is looking, I'm going to open my basil pesto. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon on each chicken fillet here. Save this for another day, as I like to do my meal prepping. That is perfect for next week. So you just spread out. You want enough pesto that your chicken isn't just this dry thing, but you also don't want too much because then your puff pastry, when you put on top, it's going to go a bit soggy, which obviously is not ideal. You spread it out, let it sink in. And there you go. I'm going to show you now how to cut your puff pastry and put it on top, and then we're going to just pop it in the oven. Okay, so once your puff pastry, it must be defrosted or a bit soft. As you can see, mine kind of melted a bit. It's been quite hot here. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut it lengthways, just down the middle. I will then turn it, and I am then going to cut about 8 lengths . You take your chicken, right? Take your length, and you're just gonna slightly wrap your chicken, not fully. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can pull it, you can and you just wrap all your chicken . Your chicken is going to look like little zombies. Anytime you are working with puff pastry, make sure to take some soft butter. Going to help it brown as well as crisp so nicely into your chicken. We are ready for the oven. I'm gonna pop this in. My oven's preheated to 220 degrees. It will cook for about 20 minutes or until it's nice and crisp. Your chicken is nice and thin, so it will cook quickly. And there you go. As you can see, that is the perfect dish for date night. And with Valentine's Day in 2 weeks time, what else would you like to cook for your girl? So I hope you enjoy and please stay tuned.